to plant some more of our babies. We got some more babies coming up, so we're fixing to plant them and get them started. So Chuck's getting us ready. So, is there anything, what are we going to be, well, I guess we'll tell them what we're going to be planting once we get over there and we see what it is.
Already mixed up. This is cease. That's that biological fungicide. Put 1 cap of water, 1 cap of the fungicide. I'll show you that over here. In here, and just mix it up with some water. About 1 quart. But here's the seeds. Stuff will last a long time. I mean,
you know, it's hard to walk and film at the same time.
It drives some people crazy.
I'm just saying, I'm having to watch the hose so I don't trip and fall. Okay. So anyway, that was the stuff that you used?
Yep.
Did you really show them that?
I showed them the stuff.
Okay.
Alright.
Alrighty, here's our babies. They need to be, what's that?
This is green forest. All of it. Romaine.
Romaine. Well.
You can start.
Okay. I guess I'm gonna get started. Walking and filming again, walking and filming. Hey, if all of a sudden the camera goes down and whatever, you'll know what happened. I fell. Okay.
I just break them up into chunks of 4, so it's easier to dip.
I dip them one at a time.
Some of them didn't even germinate.
Yeah. So if they didn't germinate, you don't want to dip those.
You don't have to worry about it. Anyway. Alright. You can go ahead and start that, and I'm going to go ahead and bring some more stuff over.
Oh, ready? Okay. Okay, he does them in 4s. I like to baby them and make sure they're getting a good thing, so I do them one at a time. Make mama proud. Okay, so you want to get them in the middle and stuff. Well, that one's not what to do. Oh, crap. Not doing so well so far. Okay. Hey, do we need to count these out to see if we need to spread them apart or?
How many you got there?
No idea. Is that all that we have over there, or is there more?
I don't know. I'll have to go look. You got this upside down too.
I do?
Alright. Hold on, everybody.
See, you're right.
What?
That's okay. Most people would believe that, so anyway. Okay, so you just put them in there and you just want to make sure that they're kind of in the center and everything. Giving them the nutrient, or what is this, anti-fungus stuff?
Yeah.
Make sure they don't get fungus?
It's a biological fungicide.
Okay, see, I want to make sure they don't get fungi.
Fungi.
Everybody will learn. I have my own little dictionary. What is it called, Chuck?
Darlenese.
Darlenese, there you go. So anyway, a lot of times I talk to them, tell them to make mama proud, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So, because they're just little babies right now.
So she's going to carry on with the romaine, and I'm going to go get some more.
Okay, so now, oh, am I upside down again?
The button on the side where your hand's at?
Yeah, over here?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Alright, so. Okay, so then after we've done them, got them all in, then Chuck puts them back on the thing. And he hooks them up. He hasn't got the water. The water's hooked up here. He just doesn't have it turned on yet, so he didn't want it running with nothing in it. So this is a newer addition that he has put in. So now we're going to, so that was our romaine that we got done. Oh, let me show y'all this while he's doing that. This is some of our, what is that? That's that green forest, that's romaine. That's the same thing that we're, that's the bigger baby from, those are the babies. This is the toddlers, okay? So anyway, and this is our red bud head. Isn't that pretty? That's gonna be so cool. So anyway, and then we got our green bud heads. Is that what that is? No, that's butter leaf. What is that, buttercrisp? Anyway, some kind of leaf lettuce. I don't know what it is, but it's leaf lettuce, okay? And then this is our red romaine. So, and then we got, and then, let me see, I know we got some bud heads somewhere, green bud. Okay, here's our green bud heads. So, yeah. Anyway, so that's coming up. Whoops. And so now here's Chuck. What are you planting now?
This is red boar kale.
Red boar kale. Is that the same kale as this?
Yes. No.
No.
Winter boar.
Okay, that's winter boar.
This is the red. Go down.
Oh,
and show
red.
them the
red. Oh,
Go
yeah.
down and show them the red.
Okay. There's my cabbage. She getting bigger. Yeah. I mean, look at this, y'all. This is some of the... Oh, these are some bud heads. Is that not gorgeous? And it's so just... It's wonderful. Anyway. Okay, so I'm looking for the... Oh, no, that's for sure. Is this our red kale? Oh, yeah. So that's a red kale. There's a cat on my greenhouse again. Kid you not. Get off my greenhouse! Is you crazy? What are you doing? Get off my greenhouse! Oh my goodness.
Kill me a cat.
Huh?
I'm gonna kill me a cat.
No, you love them too much. Okay, Chuck, so he's about got that one done. So he's gonna move that one over again. And you have to watch him sometimes. Sometimes he doesn't realize your head's really close to where he's, you know, moving that thing to. So, I'm just saying. Isn't that right, Chucky?
Yes.
Okay. So, well, we'll catch up with you next. Let's see what else we got to do, and we'll catch up with you. Okay, so now he's writing on the stuff of what it is so we can make sure we know. And, you know, at one point, I was wondering what happened to all my clothespins, because I used the clothespins for, like, you know, chip bags or whatever and stuff. And so they were, every time I turn around, I'm like, dang, where'd they gone to? But anyway, I found out not long ago that this is where they've gone to. So sorry. But anyway, so that's what he's doing. He's writing on the clothespins, what they are, and everything.
One, two.
You getting it, Chuck?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway.
I like having some help out here.
Do you?
Yeah, nice.
Even though I'm a little annoying?
You're not annoying.
Huh?
You're not annoying.
I'm not?
I think people like you. They like the energy.
Well, okay, well, I'm not talking about them, I'm talking about you.
No.
Me annoying you.
That's not annoying. What was this?
That's Muir.
Here.
Yeah. Well, okay. Okay, so this is us and signing off and
Bye,
anyway, y'all go play in some dirt. God bless. Have a good night.
We'll see you next time.
All right, bye.